from 2016-17 when the State Civil Service they submitted the application to the government for this non-NCS where NPSC recruit should be inducted to the IAS induction post. So with that, in 2020, the government came out with a vacancy circular where non-NCS IAS was inducted in 2020. Then there was no issue. Then in 2025, the same circular was issued giving a moratorium period of 15 days for submission of the application, where 11 applicants we were told that submitted. Then the government suddenly U-turned and recalled the circular on the 16th day after the expiry of the date. So CANSSEA and this FONSESA, NIDA, NSSA, NF&ASA, we have a core committee to pursue this issue from 2016-17. So we again decided that this should not happen, and we took up with the government reminding to restore the criteria number 4, where any applicant to be inducted to the non-NCS SCS post should be from NPSC. But the government did not pay heed, so we started the first phase of our protest with black badge, then the second with poster campaign and all. Then, even then, the government did not call us for any discussion or to query us about our problem. So now we have issued a letter on 28/8/25 to our government that if the government does not restore the 10 March vacancy circular, CANSSEA will go with the rest of the associations for pendant strike.
Nangni jangi tangani o sawa cherong bata nangni gisik mathaneng thaneng de aga nonga prni chagate exercise karong bo niba gisikte agan ska ondisa tusiko dao thaneng aga nenga gito komi chabo benan sengi donggen niba gisikte skjainga wa maman salanti parata charunga mamu jade thaneng agan skainga knal mai bada ka sabisi ko mane mang chana mansran jajo de maila nan thung salat tuchi chulet bo niba giskan manija Chao de gumukon sagene chansia. Ansing gumukan masya. Ya to chini bakari ko agri chao de ansing be na namja. Ani ba mai dake. Ansing chansia chao ra ngara malasa malagen. Wagen. Angara film star aro Olympic kalag barungja. Ani ba to kari chini chani ko komiat chao de. High blood pressure, heart attack, stroke, diabetes, makron ka komiani, karong tenostong ani. Yan ni jepong naman again. Aru yarang niya sel ning nekani rara kuman gen chani rangani mamung unja dia plak nang ni jangi tangani o gemakon nang chakya geno kenan nang ni kudu masir ka ba to di yan ansing nal thupatat geno to de nang ni tango sakselat po ha ansing ni salan tini chani o thoko komiat na ngode dalo ansing ndita chaiga ngode khasin sinu ko komiat po ha aru batita ba salang ni jamano aru untisa komiat khubo kari komiat na bi apsan kun jarak po bijak song muteng somayo khasinsin komiat na ranta karongbo aro sala doi ba bithirang ode khari kon sang nabe na cha baksa chinir ngama mamung ja rengai bo ndiba atha chamos komiat terengbo aro ate sal zaman masi jokhon ba uni gaman chanchi bo nangni salan tini jangi tanganio dektek prako sawa chienga nangni khari chini aro to chani ko ta aloni komiat na aba chingbo kha